So hi all, welcome to the another video of job search series of VIEH Group. So here we are going to know about a new opening which is in NPCI, which is called National Payment Corporation of India. So those who don't know what is NPCI, I'll just give you a small overview. It's something which is an initiative of RBI, and all the payment things will get regulated inside this body of India. So, all the information security and risk assessment professionals, this thing is for you. Location is Hyderabad and Chennai, and there are a couple of preferred certificate which is required: CompTIA Security Plus, CEH, CISM, CISA, CISSP, CRTP, CCNA Security, ISO 2071, 2700, LA, PCI DSS, which is also important. It's payment ISO 222301 LA, LI, CBCI, and all those Nginx and all those things is required for this job role. How you can apply for this job role? So here is the link. The things these are things you need to fill out. Okay, the year of experience, what are things you know, what are the roles in which you're interested. So there are a couple of roles and position which is available currently, and how many years of experience you have, and where you want to work, either in Hyderabad or either in Chennai. And this is the email ID of Seema Dikshit where you need to send your resume. And if you want to add something as a whatever you want to ask, something whatever you want to pin out, you can just keep it here and just click on submit button. So if you want link, just comment on this video. I'll send you a link, and accordingly you can apply for this job. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind. By the way, we are coming with a new YouTube channel. Anyways, we will in further videos. So thank you once again. Jai Hind.